Good afternoon, folks. We're coming to you from MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're showing you our used 2021 250 SLX by Sea Ray. We just took in on trade. As you can see, this boat has a stone interior with the stone sea deck flooring. Has nice wraparound entertainment area with an extra seat over to the port. Here's your helm seat that's bolstered. Twin screens, digital shift and start, and throttle. Here's an additional VHF that's been added to this boat. This boat does have the upgraded stereo system on the power tower with the tower speakers on both port and starboard side, with the upgraded Fusion stereo system speakers as well. Coming forward, you have a nice size head. Glove compartment, and a very expansive bow area where you can easily sit 4 to 5 adults. And also there's a table mount down below. And then you have your designated anchor hatch with a bow ladder. I can see this boat comes fully equipped with everything you would need for a fun day on the water. If you'd like to set an appointment or come see this boat, give us a call at 609-926-0600. We look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.